Hi, and welcome to Read with Mary Mac. I'm Mary McManus. In this video, I will show you how to use the free Dolphin Easy Reader app and the Bookshare.org website on your phone. You will need your Bookshare.org username and password. You may also need permission from your parents to add an app to your phone. After downloading the Easy Reader app, click the Sign Up button to create an account. Click the Login button here to log into that account once your account is created. In the Dolphin Easy Reader app, you can start adding books to your phone by clicking on this icon that looks like a stack of books. Next, on the list of libraries, click the word Bookshare. You will only need to do this step once. Now, log into your Bookshare account using your Bookshare username and password and click Login. Remember, you will only need to log into Bookshare once unless you sign out of the Easy Reader app. Next, hit the back button on the upper left-hand side of your phone. This will bring you back to My Reading Lists in the Easy Reader app. Click on My Reading Lists to see what books are available for you to download. From the list of books on the reading list, choose the book that you would like to read. You'll be able to click the Download button, which would be over here on the screen. The book will appear like this on your phone. Click Download again, and then click Open once the book has downloaded. Listen, read, and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, please read with Mary Mac.